Hi there and welcome to another video from Faraz Maths. It's Mr. Faraz Hassan here, and in this video we are talking about writing algebraic expressions 3 in context. It's our third video on that. So the keywords here are abstract, generalize, arithmetic, add, subtract, multiply, divide, expression, perimeter, area. Okay, let's get started. So previously on Faraz Maths we did write the expression that results from the following series of steps. Start with W and multiply it by 6. So we have to write W there first and times by 6. So you can write W times 6, W6 or 6W, but the correct way to write is to 6W. You don't write W times 6. So this is the correct way to write 6W. A brick weighs W kg. How much do 6 bricks weigh? So that is again W, because a brick weighs W kg. How much do 6 bricks weigh? So that must be times by 6, which will give you 6W. A piece of timber is X centimeter long, 7 centimeter is cut off. How much is left? So here we have to start with X, then it says 7 centimeter is cut off. It means you have to subtract 7 from X. So this will give you X minus 7. Don't forget to write the units. So the answer is X minus 7 centimeter. A piece of timber is X centimeter long. How long would 7 pieces of timber be put together in a line? Pause the video and try if you feel you can. So you have to take X first, then multiply it by 7 because there are 7 pieces of timber. So it is the correct to write is 7x. You cannot write x7. That's not the correct way to write. So the answer here is 7x centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit. Okay, the next question is 7 pieces of identically sized pieces of timber are x centimeter long when put together. How long is each individual piece of timber? So these are the 7 pieces of identically sized timber. So we can say them as x. How long is each individual piece of timber? So what we have to do, we have to write x first and then divide it by 7. It means we are dividing these pieces in 7 equal parts. So x divided by 7 is x over 7. And don't forget to write the unit. So one piece is equals to x over 7 centimeter. Okay, next question. Pause the video and try to answer the question if you think you can. Colin has 30 pounds. Brian takes y pounds. How much is left? So we have to write 30 first, then because Brian takes y pounds, so minus y from it. And this is giving us 30 minus y. So the answer is 30 minus y pounds. Okay, pause the video and try if you feel you can. So Colin gets X wages each week. After he pays his tax of T pounds, he then pays his rent of 200 pounds. He then shares what's left between himself and his wife. How much do they each get? Okay, we have to start with X and subtract T from it. So it would become X minus T because it says after he pays his tax of T pounds. He then pays his rent of 200 pounds. So we have to subtract 200 also. So now we have x minus t minus 200. He then shares what's left between himself and his wife. So obviously it is equally divided. So that would become x minus t minus 200 divided by 2. So that's our answer, x minus t minus 200 over 2 pounds. Okay, pause the video and try if you feel you can. And as we multiply these two units, centimeter and centimeter, so it will give you centimeter square. This is also centimeter. And this is also in centimeter. Pause the video and try if you feel you can. Okay, in this question, that's a rectangle. So in rectangle, two opposite sides are equal. So if this is B, that is also B centimeter. And if this is H centimeter, that is also H centimeter. The question here is, what is the perimeter? So we have two B's and two H's are there. So that would be 2B plus 2H centimeter. Quite simple, because perimeter means the sum of all sides. If you add two B's, you will get 2B, and if you add 2H, you will get 2H. What is the area? The area here is B times H. B times H. Or simply B or H, PH. And that's the formula of the perimeter also. So this is the formula of perimeter for rectangle, and that's the formula of the area of rectangle formula. So that's it for this video. We'll continue from the next.